Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. So in the case that you do have this turned off, and whenever you go ahead and have your do not disturb focus or personal focus time focus feature rather on your iPhone devices, and you want to basically have not or rather receive notifications from Snapchat, or you want to just specifically turn off the time sensitivity of Snapchat. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys just how, so please watch this video till the end, subscribe, and like for more. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and switch over onto our devices over here. And what I want you to do next, once you're already on here, is to go ahead and tap on your settings. So right here is where you guys could access the specific setting in order to turn off the time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. So what I want you to do once you're already on your device's settings is to scroll all the way down until you see the Snapchat application right here. Now, if you do have trouble finding where this is, you could easily go ahead and utilize the search bar on the top. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and now tap on Snapchat right here since I've already found it, and then go ahead and basically turn off the time sensitivity of Snapchat. So let's actually try to access that in the notifications. So in this case, it doesn't really show that setting right now. But of course, if you want to go ahead and turn that off, all we need to do is just turn off the notifications of this application. Basically, as you see here, it is currently turned off. So what I want you to basically do once you're already done is to tap right here on notifications. Tap over on, of course, if you do have your notifications turned on, in order for you to turn off the time-sensitive notifications on here, all we need to do is to basically go on this section, toggle this off, and that is how you can do just that. And basically, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.